Let's take a look at area today. For example, I am redesigning a room in my basement. For the floor, I will be using square tiles and I will be putting a black edge all the way around the room. Before I can start putting it together, I need to get the supplies. How many tiles do I need for the floor and how much black edge do I need to go around the room? Now the other day, I was doing the same problem, but that time I found the black edge. But I found the black edge by doing perimeter. Today I'm going to focus on the number of tiles. That's going to require area. Well, let me start by showing you the room. So here's the room with the tiles and the black edge. Now for today, I'm not going to worry about that black edge because it's the perimeter. I figured that out the other day. I'm going to be counting up the tiles that are inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, look, I see it counting by fives. 15, 20, 25, 30. So that means I need 30 square tiles. So let's take a closer look at what area is. Area is the number of square units that covers the inside of a shape. Now, as we start to learn area, you won't always have to draw all the squares, but you can imagine all of the squares. An easy way to help you remember area is squares is that it looks just like an array, which is a setup of squares. Now the way that we're going to look at today for figuring out area is to figure out area is to count the number of squares inside a figure. Let's take a look at a few examples. So here's my first example. I can just count my squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I would say this is 8 square units. And that was a rectangle. I could have also counted by twos, right? Because I could have gone 2, 4, 6, 8. Now over here, I have an irregular shape. So I'm going to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is also 8 square units. So just because it's an irregular shape doesn't mean it does not have area. Now let's take a look at our two figures down here at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing the same thing just by counting the squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the area of this figure is 17 square units. And let me take a look at the last one. And I'll just do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. But again, I see it counting by fours because they're the same. So 4, 8, 12, 16. So the area of this figure is 16 square units.